The Bose SoundLink Revolve and SoundLink Revolve Plus provide deep, loud, and immersive sound with true 360-degree coverage. In this video, we'll help you get started with your new speaker. First, carefully unpack the carton. You'll find a USB cable, a power supply, and your speaker. Plug the small end of the USB cable into the micro B USB connector on your speaker. Plug the other end into the power supply. Begin by plugging into an AC power source. Your speaker ships with a partial charge, but you must connect it to AC power to activate the battery on initial use. Once power is connected, the battery indicator blinks amber, and your speaker will initialize the battery, then emit a tone. You are now ready to turn on your speaker. The first time you power the speaker on, the Bluetooth indicator will glow blue, and you will hear a voice prompt to select your language. Simply follow the voice prompts to select your language. To stream music, you must pair a device to your speaker. For Bluetooth, head to your device's Bluetooth menu and select Bose SoundLink Revolve from the device list. Once paired, you'll hear a connection announcement and the Bluetooth indicator will glow solid white. To pair with NFC, tap and hold the NFC touchpoint on your device to the top center of the speaker, aiming for the Bose logo. Your device may prompt you to accept pairing. Once paired, you'll hear the connection announcement and the Bluetooth indicator will glow solid white. Additionally, you can download the free Bose Connect app from the Apple App or Google Play Store. Now you're ready to enjoy music and speakerphone capabilities of your new Bose speaker. For additional help using your speaker, visit our website.